protect me and guide me. Allahu Allah, to your love and mercy. Allahu Allah, Ya Allah, don't deprive me. Allahu Allah, from beholding your beauty. Allahu Allah, oh my Lord, accept this plea.
Our student leaders described by Muhammad Nurtajul Islam. Our student leaders. Once we used to feel proud of our student leaders for their qualities and virtues. When we were lost in darkness, they used to guide us and show the right way of light. They were source of our hopes and desires. They gave us hope and assurance for the bright and happy days of the future. History bears the evidence of their sacrifice. Their sacrifice during the language movement against Ayub dictatorship in the liberation war have made them immortal. They have earned an abiding glory. Their sacrifice will remain ever fresh and evergreen. They will remain to the end. Now these days are gone by. We are shocked and frustrated to see the activities of our student leaders. They indulge themselves in destructive politics and activities. They have become mere toys in the hands of the so-called political leaders. They speak for the political parties. They represent not for the country.